Imagine driving the same car for 20 years, without a single major repair. Sounds impossible? Think again. There's a group of drivers out there, just like you, who've clocked 500,000, 600,000, even 1 million miles on their cars. The secret? It's not luck. It's 7 powerful habits that 90% of drivers completely ignore. But you're about to learn them all. And potentially save yourself tens of thousands of dollars. Stick around, because habit number 7 is one even mechanics forget. But it could be the one that saves your engine. Let's dive in. Neglecting your car's fluids is like running a marathon without drinking water. Your engine, transmission, brakes, steering and cooling system all rely on fluid to function properly. Regular checks are key. You should be inspecting your engine oil every couple of weeks or before long drives. Transmission fluid? That's a big one. Change it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles depending on your car. And don't forget coolant, brake fluid and power steering fluid. These don't just make things run smoother, they prevent catastrophic failure. Tire care might seem like a separate topic, but it's directly linked to your car's long-term health. Low tire pressure means your engine has to work harder, your fuel economy drops, and your suspension takes a beating. Every month, tires lose 1 to 2 psi naturally. Just keeping them inflated correctly can make a massive difference. Filters are like your car's lungs and sinuses. If they're clogged, everything struggles. Your engine air filter keeps dirt and debris from entering the engine. A dirty filter chokes your performance and even shortens engine life. So, you should change it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Same goes for the cabin air filter. If it's blocked, it affects your HVAC system and your health. You might be in a rush in the morning, but flooring it 10 seconds after starting your car is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine. When your car is cold, oil hasn't circulated properly. There are dry spots. Internal parts grind just a little harder. Do that every day for a year, and you're shaving off life from your engine. Cheaper aftermarket parts may look like a good deal, but they're often poorly made, wear out faster, and can lead to unexpected problems. That includes belt sensors, brake pads, you name it. Always aim for OEM parts. That means original equipment manufacturer. These parts are made specifically for your car and tested for performance and durability. Most drivers wait until something breaks before they fix it. That's a dangerous mindset if you want your car to go the distance. Preventive maintenance is the unsung hero of high-mileage cars. That means oil changes on schedule, inspecting belts, checking brake pads before they squeal, and replacing spark plugs before misfires start. Here's one habit even most experienced drivers ignore: protecting the undercarriage. The bottom of your car takes a constant beating. Road salt in winter can corrode the frame. Gravel and debris chip away at your paint. Oil and grime can trap moisture. All of this accelerates wear, and once rust sets in, it spreads like cancer.
Here's the truth. Most people trade in their cars not because they want to, but because their vehicle gave up on them. But now you know the habits that can turn your car into a 600,000-mile legend. So, will your ride make it that far? Or will it give out early like the rest? The choice is in your hands. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe to Gear Specs for more tips that save your wallet, your car, and your future.